Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Overwatch freezing problem. If you want to fix it, go to first go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and install latest updates here, and now after that go to View Advanced System Settings, and then go to Settings, the first option here, and now click Adjust for best performance, apply and OK. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just close it. After that go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates and install the latest update for your graphics card. Go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling, and then just enable it and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.